परमेश्वर का एक वचन हमारे लिए काफ़ी है और एक ताकतवर प्रार्थना एक नई शुरुआत को हमारे जीवन में लेकर आ सकता है। इसलिए इस प्रार्थना में हमसे जुड़िए। God want to restore your finance, your relation and your health. And we are here to pray for you in the name of Jesus. And this is we called prophetic restoration prayer. And this is so powerful. So please take your time and join with us. You are going to see the glory in your life. And God want to visit you in Jesus' mighty name.